In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail reverse conversation order. If you've ever opened a long email thread and felt like the newest message is buried at the bottom, or the order just feels backwards, you're not alone. Gmail's default conversation view groups related emails together, which is great for context, but it can make it tricky to jump straight to the most recent reply. I'll show you two clean ways to handle this: turning off conversation grouping entirely or keeping it on and quickly expanding everything so you land at the newest message right away. First, sign in to Gmail in your browser. We'll start with the simplest fix, showing each email individually so your inbox is naturally sorted by time received, newest at the top. Click the settings gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings. In that panel, scroll down to the Email Threading section. Uncheck Conversation View. Gmail will reload automatically. When it comes back, every message appears as its own line in your inbox without grouping, and the latest emails will be at the top just the way most people expect. If you prefer a clean, chronological inbox and don't need messages bundled together, this is the most straightforward solution. But if you like the context of threaded conversations and want to keep conversation view, here's a fast way to get to the latest reply without clicking through each message. Open the email thread you're working on. At the top right of the thread, look for the Expand All icon. It usually looks like stacked squares or small arrows. Click that, and Gmail will open every message in the conversation at once. Prefer the keyboard? You can also press the semicolon key to expand all messages in the thread if keyboard shortcuts are available in your Gmail. Once everything is open, press the End key on your keyboard to jump straight to the bottom where the newest message lives. This combination, expand all, then jump to the end, lets you keep threaded context while still landing on the latest reply immediately. To recap, you can either turn off conversation view for a classic time-sorted inbox, or keep it on and use expand all plus the end key to get right to the newest message. Choose the approach that fits how you like to read and manage your mail. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.